The video that you're about to see will consist of all the physical agility requirements for the application process. Hello, I'm Stephen Green with the Longview Fire Department. Today we're at our drill field facility. We're going to be going through our physical ability test for new hires that we have. This will consist of 10 stations. We'll go through each station individually, and then at the end we'll do a simulated rotation with one of our firefighters. Due to the nature of this test, I would suggest you start working out 6 to 8 weeks out once you know of the testing date. Preferably if you can get your hands on a vest also of 50 pounds to wear while you're working out. Equipment required for this testing will consist of one of our fire helmets or your fire helmet of choice. If you bring one, we'll approve it upon arrival. A pair of leather gloves. Also, we'll provide the 50-pound vest that you'll wear during the entire course. Along with this, you'll need to wear a short or long sleeve shirt, long pants, and no open-toed shoes. What they're doing now is they're putting on the 50-pound vest. Notice they do have long pants on, shoes or work boots, which are closed-toed, and they have a short sleeve shirt on, and also again, you can wear a long sleeve shirt if you want to. First station is going to be the 24-foot ladder raise, and what he's doing now is using a hand-over-hand form to raise the ladder 24 foot, and what he's done here is he's locked in at 24 foot with the rungs that are lined up at the green on green. If that rope slides through your hands and it slides 3 rungs, that's a 3-second penalty on your time. Here we'll be simulating advancing a high-rise pack to the 4th floor. You'll remove the pack from the painted box. You'll advance all the way up. Once you reach the 4th floor, we have a painted box that matches the one on the ground. You will lay the equipment into the box. Do not drop it. This station consists of the hose hoist. You'll have a section of 2.5-inch hose, and you'll end up hosting it to the 4th floor here, and placing it in this painted circle. During this, you cannot use the bar as a fulcrum. You must use the hand-over-hand method, and you have to bring it over the top rail. And once you get done, it has to rest in the circle without dropping it. A penalty will be assessed for dropping the equipment. Once the station has been completed, when you come down the steps, you must touch every stair coming down, or a penalty will be assessed for any skip steps coming down. Again, you can skip steps going up, but coming down, you have to touch every step. You'll advance to the next station, grabbing the nozzle for the 2.5-inch hose. We have 4 sections. At this point, you'll pick the nozzle up and put it over your shoulder. This is 2.5-inch hose that is not charged. Run approximately 75 foot, make the turn, go another 25 foot, you'll go to the box, must stay in front of the cone. You have to get on your knees or sit down or one knee, and you will pull until that green mark gets inside the box with you. That's 25-foot mark on that hose. But he's completed the hose drag. Now once he's completed, he's going to simulate walking obstacles on the fire ground to get to the attic crawl simulator. This station is the attic crawl, and what we're doing here is simulating advancing through an attic without damaging your sheetrock. So anytime your foot or hand goes below a rafter, it's a penalty also, because we're not trying to damage any property. You must ring the cowbell at the other end. You can ring it with your foot or your hand. Once you've completed the attic crawl, you'll advance to the Kaiser Slid. This consists of a 9-pound dead blow hammer, and this is to simulate any forcible entry that you may be doing. On this, any penalty will be assessed if you hit anything other than the end of the sled itself. Once you've moved it 5 feet, the task is complete. You're good. Once the Kaiser Slid has been accomplished, we have what we call the victim rescue drag. You must perform a firefighter carry or use a DRD harness, which you can see is hanging over your shoulder. This is a 165-pound mannequin. He's going to go 70 foot until he gets to this line back here. Once the dummy's feet pass the white line, he has completed this task and can move on to the next one. This is the firefighter carry he's performing. Once the victim rescue has been done, you'll advance to the simulated positive pressure fan. You'll carry it to the next marked painted box. Penalty will be assessed if you place it down anywhere other than the box or if you drop it during the carry. And once your fan carry has been completed and you place it in the box, you'll retrieve the high-rise pack. So what you'll do is you'll walk or lightly jog. Again, on this, you can skip the stairs going up. You go to the 4th floor and retrieve the high-rise pack. As you've seen throughout the videoing of this, we'll have somebody there to spot you in case you get tired or have an issue. He's retrieved the high-rise pack. Coming down, he's going to have to step. You have to touch every stair coming down. Penalty will be assessed if you skip any steps coming down. And what he's going to do when he gets to the bottom is he's going to place it back into the box that's painted at the bottom. Okay, at this point, he has replaced the high-rise pack to its original position, and he's going the ladder down without it sliding through his hands. He's doing the hand-over-hand method coming back down. Again, if this slides in your hands more than 3 rungs, it'll be a 3-second penalty. Once the ladder has touched the ground here at the bottom, your time will stop. You've made it to this video on our website, so you're obviously interested in coming and applying with us. Please come prepared. Watch the video. If you have any questions or any concerns, write those down. Have that ready for us if you need to contact us. Again, we have this test at 408 Fair Street in Longview, and that's where the testing is conducted that you just saw. Contact us at 903-237-1210.